Emotional cinematic music, soft piano begins. When an elderly woman stepped into Judge Caprio's courtroom that morning, no one expected her story to break every heart in the room. Sometimes justice isn't about the law, it's about humanity. The woman's trembling hands clutching an old purse. Her voice shakes as she speaks. Judge Caprio looks on with quiet compassion. This is the moment where compassion defeated punishment. Music swells softly. Fade into scene intro. Courtroom ambience. The elderly woman walks slowly toward the stand, using a cane. She looks nervous but polite. Her name was Margaret, 78 years old. She'd come to court for a parking violation she couldn't afford to pay. But behind that small ticket was a lifetime of struggle. Her face, soft wrinkles, kind eyes filled with worry. Margaret, voice trembling. I didn't mean to break the law, Your Honor. My husband is gone. I was visiting his grave, and I guess I lost track of time. Judge Caprio looks down at his notes, then back at her. Empathy written all over his face. Judge Caprio had heard thousands of excuses, but this one wasn't an excuse. It was pain camera pans between the woman's eyes and Judge Caprio's expression. Judge Caprio. Mrs. Margaret, how long were you at the cemetery? Margaret. About an hour. I was just talking to him. It's been 10 years, but I still talk to him every Sunday. Her words hung in the air, and the courtroom fell completely silent. A tear rolls down her cheek. The sound of soft sniffles echoes in the background. Judge Caprio, softly. You were visiting your husband. That's not a crime, ma'am. That's love. In that moment, justice took a back seat, and humanity took the wheel. Judge Caprio leans forward, speaking gently. Judge Caprio. Margaret, if your husband could see you now, I'm sure he'd be proud of the love you still carry for him. You didn't disrespect the law. You reminded us all what loyalty looks like. And with that, the courtroom shifted from judgment to compassion. The judge sets down his pen. Judge Caprio. Case dismissed. No fines, no punishment, just peace. Margaret's tearful smile as she whispers, Thank you, Your Honor. For her, that verdict wasn't just forgiveness. It was closure, soft orchestral music. The woman wipes her tears as the audience applauds quietly. Sometimes the most powerful justice doesn't come from the law. It comes from the heart. Margaret walks out of the courtroom, lights shining through the doors. And in Judge Caprio's courtroom, humanity always wins. If this moment touched your heart, share this story with someone who believes compassion still exists. Comment below. Do you agree with Judge Caprio's decision? And don't forget to subscribe for more true stories of justice, compassion, and humanity. Only on Kind Verdict. Music fades out with soft piano and courtroom background tone.